Picture this. You leave your apartment without your phone. Panic, right? But your earbud whispers, you've got 9 minutes, coffee, or water? Your glasses highlight your keys on the counter. Your ring unlocks the front door and pays for the bus. Floating arrows guide you to the cafe. No frantic pocket pat-downs. No glowing rectangle. Yet, you're more connected than ever. So, is this the end of smartphones? And if so, what are we going to use instead? First, a confession. The smartphone has been the most successful piece of consumer tech in history. A slab of glass that eats cameras, maps, wallets, and boredom. But it comes with friction: unlock, open, tap, scroll, repeat. The future is about shrinking that friction until computing dissolves into your day. Not one device, but many small, invisible helpers that feel like new senses. Think of 3 big shifts: interfaces, moving from thumbs on glass to voice, vision, and subtle gestures. Instead of poking at icons, you'll glance, nod, or whisper, and the world will respond. Shift 2, form factors. Screens won't disappear, but they'll stop living in your pocket full time. Displays will jump onto your face, wrist, or wall, wherever useful for 10 seconds, then vanish. Shift 3, intelligence. Not assistant, set timer, but a personal AI that knows your calendar, routes, and preferences, helping without stealing your attention. All right, what replaces the phone day to day? Number 1, hearables, smart earbuds that don't just play music, they become your constant sidekick. Imagine live translation while you order lunch, a whisper that says left turn ahead, or a gentle nudge. You promised yourself 1 coffee today. During meetings, your earbud can summarize the last 5 minutes you mentally skipped. No screen, no shame. Number 2, lightweight AR glasses. Not bulky headsets. Think normal-looking frames with tiny, bright overlays only you can see. On a city street, navigation arrows hug the actual sidewalk. In your kitchen, a recipe floats beside the pot with steps that auto-advance. At the gym, perfect form lines your squat. The rule of AR is simple: show it when useful, hide it when not. Number 3, the wrist computer. Today's watches track heart rate and pay for groceries. Next-gen models become your remote control for reality. Quick voice notes, message triage, and a projected keyboard on the table when you need to type a short paragraph. Add health features that quietly matter: early warnings, recovery insights, and hey, breathe nudges before your day derails. Number 4, rings and tiny tokens for identity and payments. Your ring becomes your universal key. Door, car, laptop, hotel room, tap and go. Authentication moves from passwords to presence. You are the login. Number 5, pins and patches. A clip-on wearable or discrete patch that listens for wake words, reads your environment, and projects a quick map or message onto your palm. Think of it as your pocketable concierge, no pocket required. And yes, screams still matter. Sometimes you need to edit video, compare spreadsheets, or doomscroll memes like a scholar. That's when you'll grab a rollable tablet from your bag, unfold a compact display, or cast to the nearest wall. The difference is that you choose the screen for the job. It's not glued to your palm out of habit. Put it together and you get a constellation: earbuds for ambient awareness, glasses for glanceable visuals, a watch for quick control, a ring for identity, and a flexible screen for deep work. The star in the middle is your personal AI, syncing across all of it, securely, privately, and fast. It knows enough to help, not enough to be creepy. It handles filtering notifications, pre-filling forms, and finding that one photo without scrolling your entire camera roll. Of course, there are speed bumps. Power. Tiny devices need all-day battery without brick-sized chargers. Expect smarter charging surfaces, desks and car consoles that top you up invisibly, and super efficient chips that sip instead of chug. Comfort and style. Nobody wants to wear gadget goggles. The winners will look like normal glasses, elegant rings, minimal earbuds, fashion first, tech second. Privacy and etiquette. A world full of microphones and cameras has to earn trust. Status lights, clear consent, and on-device processing will be non-negotiable. The vibe is assistive, not surveillance. Standards. Your Ring must talk to your glasses, which must talk to your car, which must talk to your door. Open protocols will matter as much as shiny features. So, does this kill the smartphone? Not overnight. Think about desktops after laptops or radio after TV. They didn't vanish. They found new roles. The phone becomes your portable studio, the place for editing, gaming, long messages, and emergency backup when everything else dies. But it stops being the reflex you check 96 times a day. You'll reach for it on purpose, not out of habit. Let's time travel one more time. It's the near future. You step into a grocery store. Your glasses pop up your shopping list. Your earbud says the store moved the oat milk to aisle 5. Your Ring pays when you walk out. The only time you took out a screen? To watch a 20-second video of a cat playing piano because, honestly, the future still needs cats. So, what devices will we use? It's a relationship between you, small wearables, and an AI that knows when to help and when to hush. Computing fades into the background, and your attention comes back to the foreground, where life actually happens. Quick recap: smartphones won't disappear, they'll step back. Hearables handle the whispers. AR glasses handle the glances. Watches handle control and health. Rings handle identity. Flexible screens handle deep tasks. A personal AI stitches it all together, private, helpful, and mostly invisible. If that vision made your pocket feel lighter, hit subscribe. Share this with a friend who insists they're off their phone while actively holding their phone. And stick around, because the next video might be delivered by your glasses before your thumbs even find the play button.